Welcome to this demo of UINow, an advanced AI-powered design-to-code automation platform for ServiceNow. In this session, we'll explore how UINow seamlessly transforms Figma designs into clean, production-ready front-end ServiceNow code. Let's go through the 4-step DICE process for automatic ServiceNow code generation. Step 1. Design your UI in Figma. Step 2. Import it seamlessly into UINow. Step 3. Configure your ServiceNow components. Step 4. Execute to generate clean, production-ready code. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Step 1. Design. Start with Figma UI designs. UINow converts them into ServiceNow-compliant components, ensuring consistency and integrity. Step 2. Import. With just a single click, you can easily import your Figma design into UINow. Our advanced AI engine carefully analyzes each component, layout, and interaction, ensuring every part of your design is correctly interpreted. It prepares everything for seamless integration into ServiceNow, converting all elements into a format that's ready to be deployed. This step eliminates any manual work, ensuring that your designs are flawlessly transferred while maintaining the highest level of accuracy and consistency in ServiceNow. Step 3. Configure. In Add Project, we can see all the components' properties, and most of the properties values have been taken from Figma directly through the tool. You can customize the properties as per your needs. Also, you can alter the alignment of the fields on the page using the Style feature. For example, we can change the width of the field to 50% from 100, and similarly the height of the field too. We can do the same to the text area also, and similarly you can make changes to all the fields. Also, we have two types of layout options. One is the grid layout and the other one is the flex layout. If we pick the grid layout, it will automatically detect the number of fields placed inside the parent and provide the appropriate columns, and you have the option to change the number of columns too. We have the option to provide the call span for particular fields. In the flex layout, we have the option to add padding and make changes to the margins as well, which will direct changes to the page. We can create dynamic cards by adding data that comes from REST API calls or application storage, allowing us to create dynamically iterable UI blocks that render values dynamically. This approach enables us to build responsive and interactive user interfaces that can adapt to changing data in real time. By leveraging frameworks like Angular or React, we can efficiently manage state and update the UI without requiring a full page reload. Additionally, this method enhances user experience by providing personalized content and ensuring that users always see the most relevant information. As a result, we can create a more engaging and fluid application that meets the needs of our users effectively. Step 4. Execute. In this step, configure essential ServiceNow fields, including instance URL, username, password, scope name, scope ID, UI script ID, and UI page ID. Now it's time to deploy. With just a single click, your fully functional UI screens are deployed directly into ServiceNow. But this isn't just any deployment, it's an automatic process, meaning there's no manual coding required at all. As you can see, UINow seamlessly converts every page of your design into ServiceNow's platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll show how the generated code is integrated with ServiceNow. You'll see the code behind each screen, demonstrating how it's converted and deployed effortlessly. With UINow, there's no hassle, everything is streamlined and automated. As we progress, watch how the design you created in Figma transforms into a fully working, interactive application on ServiceNow. Every detail, from UI components to business logic, is handled by UINow's AI-driven workflow. Throughout this demo, you'll notice how the UI is rendered flawlessly within ServiceNow, with each component looking and behaving just as it did in Figma. The best part? The deployment process is smooth, quick, and efficient. No errors, no manual adjustments. You're left with clean, production-ready code that's deployed in seconds, bringing your design to life in a matter of moments. For queries or a live demo, reach out to the UINow team today.